video as we explore a relatively new video overview feature of Google's NotebookLM, an AI platform. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. If you are unfamiliar with NotebookLM, it's an artificial intelligence platform created by Google for educational content creation for educators and a studying assistant tool for students. The difference between this AI platform and others is that NotebookLM uses only resources that you provide to it to generate back to users newly created content. NotebookLM is now fully integrated into the Google EDU Workspace, which makes it very easy to open and find. Go to your Google 9 dots, scroll down a bit in the side window, and you will find the NotebookLM icon. Click on it to open NotebookLM. On the home page of NotebookLM, you can create a notebook and title them by class, content area, unit, or chapter. Once into the notebook, you can upload your sources to that notebook that you want the AI platform to work with. In my example, I already have two sources uploaded into this notebook. A slideshow on the judicial branch and a section of a civics textbook that covers the judicial branch. From here, I can decide what I want NotebookLM to generate for me. I can interact either using the chatbot area in the center of the page or using the studio features on the right-hand part of the screen. As in the past, Notebook can create timelines, study guides, fact sheets, amongst other items. However, recently in the studio area of NotebookLM, they have added a few additional features such as mind maps, flashcards, reports, quiz generator, and a video overview generator. NotebookLM in the past had the audio overview generator in which you selected your sources from their uploaded list. Then it would generate an audio podcast that would focus on the materials presented in your sources. The new video overview generator does much of the same thing. It creates a video presentation with backgrounds and text and graphics to you based upon the information that was in your selected sources that you gave the AI platform to work with. Along with the visuals, a narrator goes through the video and summarizes and explains the information presented in the video in an audio form. The length of the video varies depending upon the amount of sources you provide and the amount of information provided in those sources. To generate the video overview, select which sources you want included in your video from the left side source menu by clicking the checkbox next to each source. Then going to the studio area on the right-hand portion of the screen, click the video overview button. You can also change a few settings before generation, including what type of overview it will produce, the type of background it will use in a video, by clicking the edit pencil icon in the corner of the video overview button. Once you click the video overview button, it will take a number of minutes to create your video overview file. Once your video is generated, it will be available from your list of generated materials under the studio area on the right side of your screen. You can click the play button to view and listen to your generated video in the sidebar window. By clicking the three dots icon, you can download the video file, then upload it to another platform such as your LMS. In this video, you've learned about how to use NotebookLM's video overview generator. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.